Saying goodbye with style. Mastering idiomatic farewells. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on idiomatic expressions you can use when bidding farewell. As we all know, saying goodbye doesn't always have to be plain and simple. There are countless idiomatic expressions that can add flavor to our daily conversations, making them richer and more engaging. Idiomatic expressions or idioms are phrases that have a figurative, not literal, meaning. They're used frequently in everyday speech and can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Farewell idioms are those expressions we use to say goodbye or to convey that we'll be seeing someone later. So, let's get started with some common idiomatic expressions for farewells. 1. Take it easy. This is a casual way of saying goodbye, often used among friends. It's a way of telling someone to relax or not to work too hard. 2. Catch you later. This is another informal way of saying that you'll see the person later. It's commonly used among younger people. 3. I'm off. A very common idiom that means you're leaving. You can use it in both formal and informal settings. 4. See you on the flip side, a more playful and less common way to say goodbye. It means you'll see the person again later. Remember, these are idiomatic expressions, so they shouldn't be taken literally. They're just fun and creative ways to say goodbye. Now let's put these idioms into context. Here are a few examples. 1. It was great catching up with you. Take it easy and we'll talk soon. 2. I have to head to my next class, but I'm off. I'll see you tomorrow. 3. This party was fun. Catch you later, I need to get some sleep. 4. Well, my flight's boarding. See you on the flip side. Using these expressions in your daily conversations will help you sound more natural and improve your English language skills. Well, that's all for today's lesson on idiomatic farewells. It's been a pleasure sharing these fun ways of saying goodbye. Remember, the key to mastering these idioms is practice, so don't hesitate to use them in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Until next time, take it easy and catch you later.